Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bu Ayu, are you there?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What are you doing, Miss?
I read my AHES administration.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Wait, I will remind your friends that the class is already. Hi, Miss Titi.
Hi, Miss Enda. I'm sorry I come late, Miss.
It's okay. I haven't started the class yet.
Alhamdulillah. How are you, Miss Enda?
I'm pretty well today, and also I make up something and set my schedule for the next agenda.
Will you go to Jogja and Solo, Miss?
I will have my flight tomorrow, and I will stop in Jogja first. After that, I will see my husband's cousin, and after that, for the next day, we will go to Banyumas by train.
Masya Allah. You will have to prepare anything, Miss.
Amin, amin. Everything will be okay. And
Amin.
yang penting suara saya ya. I hope that my voice clearly. You know that when I give offline training, I must control my voice not to talk a lot and loud. And laugh too. I cannot
Miss,
laugh too
rekam,
much.
Miss, rekam.
Oh ya sudah. Miss Ipa, Miss Ipa. Sudah Miss Ipa. Dua-duanya I have already set the Zoom setting automatically record locally. Yeah. All right, then directly I will show you the speaking question for today. Alhamdulillah. Okay, this is a beginner question and I will go down for our session. Okay, this is ya. I wanna ask Miss Ayu Desma first. It's already done. Miss Ayu, what do you think? What do you think makes
Yes.
us be a good parent? What do you think
What do you think
makes
makes
a good parent? How? I think this question asks how you become a good parent based on your version.
good parents in my version is a good yeah, good example for kids.
Mm-mm.
Yes. Before we make rules, before we as a parent make a rules, uh we must do it first.
Mm-mm. We
And
must. Can you repeat again once more?
we must do it first.
Oh,
Melak.
yeah. Before we tell our kids, we need to give them examples, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, all right. And what do you think the most important example you need to do as your habits, then your children will follow you?
Uh, First attitude is more important.
Mm-mm,
Uh, yeah, about sholat.
mm-mm. I agree with you.
Yeah.
After
Yes, more
that,
important. Yes. Apa ya? Honest, honest as responsible anything dare do.
yeah, I agree. I always told my children that if you want something, you need to clear or finish your responsible first. Or
Yes.
maybe like you may play phone or play game, but you
Yes.
need to do your responsibility such as you need to go to school, you need to study at least uh, 15 minutes. It's okay. I don't need you long studying, but I need you make your studying be habits and also TPA,
Yes.
taktis,
Yes.
muharajah, and also you need respect to me. Everything that I taught you, everything, every time that I need your help, you must help me because we stay in the same house, so we need to do this together.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Same with
thought
me.
to my dad. Yeah, that's why even that I only have two boys, yeah, two kids, and they are boys, they will clean the dish,
Yes.
wash the dish, and do the laundry, sweep the floor, make up their own bed. Yeah.
My son still 6 years old.
Mm-mm,
Uh, he see the floor, bathroom floor,
mm-mm.
uh dusty. He cleans.
Okay, if he see the floor dirty, so he clean up.
Yes.
All right, that's good, Miss Ayu. Thank you very much for sharing.
Yes.
All right, I have Miss Titi here. Hi, Miss Titi.
Hi, Miss Enda.
Okay, Miss Titi. I want to know first, how many children do you have?
I have two children, Miss.
They are girl or
Sister,
boy?
girl and boy.
Okay, how old are they?
My son is 8 years old, and my daughter 5 years old.
The first one, I'm so sorry.
The
7.
first 8. 8.
8. Okay. 8. 8 years old and also
5
7.
years.
Oh, 5 years old. Okay. So, should children have chores? Chores is like responsibility to domestic tasks, ya, or the task that you regularly do at home, and why?
Mm, wait me.
Hmm. Should children have chores at home? Haruskah anak-anak memiliki tugas atau kebiasaan mengerjakan hal-hal domestik di rumah?
Yes, of course.
Okay, what kind of chores that you uh, implemented to your children?
The first one, when they have homework, they have
Mm-mm.
to do at night after Isha, always like that. And then
Mm.
after they play their toys,
Mm-mm.
they have to clean up after they play together.
Mm-mm. Okay.
I
Okay. Is it boy or girl, your first child?
boy means
Boy, okay. And have you already taught or teach your children how to cook rice or boiled water or cook noodle, Miss?
yes, miss. I always, not always, yeah. Sometimes
Mm-mm.
I sometimes ask them to join me when I cook, ex- like when they want to eat nuggets
Mm-mm.
or fish. I ask them to cut the sausage and then to put in the boil hot oil, yeah, miss.
Boil.
Yeah, just it, miss.
Okay, that's good ya. Alright then, thank you Miss Titi ya. I hope
Yeah.
as a mother we don't give any apa ya, easiness. Do you know easiness?
Kemudahan. What?
Yes, yeah, yeah. Don't let your children just ask something and you give it to them. I think that it's not the best way to make them discipline, I think, yeah.
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you, Miss Titi. And next, I have Miss Nila here. Hello, Miss Nila.
Halo, Miss.
Miss Nila, don't be afraid ya. Grammar task ya uh is not too important at all, I think. But you can still learn or study them one by one slowly. Ya, don't be shocked ya. I feel you. Pokoknya latihan terus dikit-dikit. It's okay ya. Nanti Miss bisa cari tuh kalau Miss belum paham. Sebenarnya kan kalau kita paham translationnya sebenarnya mudah ngerjain yang ada di
Iya.
quizzes tadi. Nah, jadi Miss harus notice, harus pakai catatan nih. Oh, saya salahnya nomor 1, nomor 2, nomor berapa yang saya salah. Nanti benernya gini, harusnya kayak gini gitu. Ya, take a note.
Oke, siap, Miss, siap.
Oke. Now, I wanna ask you, what are good ways to discipline your children?
Oke, Miss. In my opinion, mm, maybe he has to ask nicely if he wants something,
Mm-mm.
and then he has to apologize if he something wrong.
If he do something wrong.
If he do something wrong, yes.
Mm,
And don't shout when ask for something, Miss. Nggak teriak-teriak gitu loh,
oh,
Miss.
ya. I agree with you, yeah. But you know, Miss, but I realized that high volume or high tune from my voice, I teach them to do that because
Yes.
I cannot control if I tell them, Abang, tolong kerjakan ini. Even if I don't in if I don't mean ya, if I don't mean to do that. Ya,
Iya.
that's really hard ya.
Mm-mm.
Kayaknya kita harus belajar sama orang Jawa, Miss. Kalau orang Palembang sama orang Bangka ketemu cocok.
Ya
Ya.
Allah.
Okay, alright. Thank you very much, Miss Nila. I agree with your ways, ya. It's really hard. You know that one more I wanna give to my to my children, ya. When they make something wrong, they must say sorry. It's really hard. My husband, I know that he feel guilty to me if he did something wrong. But to say sorry or just maaf ya gitu. It's really hard to yeah, it's really hard for him to do that. Ya. Sampai dia bilang, I tell you katanya, but it's really hard to say that. Ya udahlah ya. Jadi kita kalau dia tidak terbiasa dan tidak dibiasakan, maybe inner child-nya punya satu kesalahan dengan orang yang sebelumnya terus belum diselesaikan gitu. Biasanya seperti itu ya secara psikologinya. Alright, thank you Miss Nila and I will go to Miss Santi. Hello Miss.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Miss Santi, I wanna ask you, how do you teach kids to be kind?
Okay, same with you, Miss.
Mm-mm.
I always say to my children, when you do something wrong, you always to say sorry. And when everybody give you something, you can say thank you. And
Okay. Mm-mm.
so be nice with your friends and always kind with all people like that.
Yeah,
That's all.
I agree with you, Miss. Yeah.
Hmm.
The thing that my kids really not be nice is when we go to someone house and I don't give them phone, they will be active so much.
Yeah.
That's I need before we go outside, I need to tell them and brief ya, make briefing ya. Make briefing with them, blah 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 blah, what you need to do and what you don't
Yes.
need to do.
To do.
It's
Yes, that's right.
yeah, and we must clear with them. It's Gen Alpha ya, I think.
Mhm.
If you don't say anything and you don't give them the boundaries, they will not listen to you. Even you make your eyes bold and say something or just please stop, please stop. They will not stop because
Yes,
we don't have any promise ya
that's one.
before.
Yes.
All right. Anything else you wanna say, Miss Santi?
No, thanks, Miss.
All right, then I will go to Miss Dewi.
Okay.
Why your voice is so small? Miss Dewi.
Ugly?
Oh,
Ugly?
no. Okay, Miss Dewi, I wanna
Yes.
ask you, what kind of activities are good for your children?
For me, the first thing is they must fulfill their uh, obligation, like the fifth prayer time. That's the first thing. The second one, I hopefully so much that they want to go play outside because my children are so lazy to go outside. They prefer to play with my handphone uh, rather than go play outside. Especially my second son. Oh my God. And what else? The third one is I like they um have a spirit in study. Sometimes they are excited when I teach them, but sometimes they are too lazy to study. That's, I think, the activities that are good for my children, but don't know what else. Yeah, I think that the only that first. I don't know when I have something else inside my mind to say. Thank you, Miss. Are you there, Miss? Hello? Hello? Anybody there?
My God. You know that I speak a lot, but I still mute. All right then.
Okay.
Yeah, I will continue. Yeah, I speak a lot. All right. Yeah. Next, I will review again our last material. It's about neither, because of, either, or, but not only, but also. Yeah. The first one, using correct connector. The first one, please, Miss Ayu.
Yes, Miss.
Number one, please read
I
and
was
answer.
yes, I was late because of the traffic jam.
Yes, because of the traffic jam. Why you use because of, not because?
Because for short reason.
No, don't use that. Short reason tidak berlaku ya. Masa kita Ayo, itu guru sekolah tuh yang ngomong kayak gitu. Jangan, kita jangan.
Okay,
Kira-kira
Miss.
apa?
I open last lesson. Miss.
Oh my God. Why we use because of? Because
It's
traffic
using
jam.
noun phrase.
Yes, traffic jam is a noun phrase. Ya, jangan karena short. Oh my God. Alright, number two, Miss Titi.
He didn't come to meeting because he was sick.
Yes, because he was sick. Alright, next. Thank you, Miss Titi. Number three, Miss Santi, please.
You can choose both a book of burger or pizza?
Kalau or pasangannya apa?
Hmm, you
I?
can choose either
Yes, either.
a burger or pizza.
Iya. Ya. Sebenarnya boleh pakai bot ya, tapi pasangan bot apa teman-teman?
And
Iya,
pizza.
benar.
Oke.
Jadi boleh pakai bot.
Bisa
Bot.
dua-duanya ya berarti ya
Iya,
Miss jawabannya.
boleh. You can choose both a burger and
And
pizza.
pizza. Oke,
Boleh.
I'm
Yang
sorry.
penting pasangannya benar.
Oke, thank you Miss.
Next, Miss Nila.
Nah, ini apa ini? Blank, blank, blank. My brother, my sister likes horror movies.
Yeah, it's from negative sentences. If you say,
Neither,
yeah, good job.
neither my brother nor my sister
Yes,
likes horror movies.
good job. Itu bisa.
Kadang-kadang gitu, Miss. Suka bingung sendiri.
Ya,
Allah.
you just need more exercise kok. Itu
Oke.
aja. Iya.
Siap.
Number 5, please, Miss Dewi.
She is not only good at singing, but also good at dancing.
Good job. Not only good at singing, but also. Alright. Jadi reviewnya aman ya, masih menancap tajam. Ada yang sudah ngeprint, teman-teman silahkan diisi. Bila sudah ngeprint, yang belum ngeprint tolong di SS. Di? Alright, next ya. There is no grammar lesson for tonight. Ya, for today because it's reading time. Jadi hari ini kita grammarnya nggak ada, jadi kita reading saja. Okay, please help me, Miss Titi, read the first and second paragraph.
Last Saturday, Sarah and her friends planned to go to the park. They wanted to have a picnic and play games, but things didn't go exactly as they expected. Sarah was late because of the traffic jam near her house. Her friend Danny didn't come because he was feeling sick. So only 4 friends arrived at the park.
All right. Can you repeat again? How do you say this one, Miss Titi?
Exactly.
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 Yes. Can you repeat again these sentences?
Exactly. But
Until
But
dot.
yeah. But things didn't go
Exactly. Wait.
exactly.
I
Benar.
will help you to write the pronunciation. Exactly. Like that. Exactly.
Okay. But things didn't go exactly as they
Expected.
Pardon me?
Pakai I juga.
Expected.
Expected. Expected.
Expected.
Okay. Is there any word that you didn't know the meaning, Miss?
I think no.
All right. Okay, thank you, Miss Titi.
You're welcome, Miss Enda.
Next, please, Miss Nila. paragraf number, wait, Miss, tunggu Miss, saya klik dulu. Number, oh ya, from the weather until mine.
Until mine.
Ya, from this until mine.
Okay. The weather was warm and sunny. Everyone was excited. They brought they brought food and drinks. Sarah brought not only sandwich but also some homemade cookies.
Mhm.
Tom brought not only a football but also a guitar so they could play music and sing.
Mm-mm.
However, neither Lily nor Mia remembered to bring a picnic mat, so they had to sit on the grass. It was a little wet, but they didn't mind.
All right. Wait, I wanna make sure how to pronounce one word. Ini. Oke, guitar itu bacanya guitar.
Guitar.
Yes, biasa aja guitar. Jadi
Guitar.
U-nya nggak di pronounce. U-nya silent U, guitar.
Guitar.
Yes. Is there any word that you didn't know the meaning, Miss?
I know, Miss.
Okay, that's good. All right, the last one. Apa? Dek yang ngambil, disitulahnya. Lihat dulu, cari dulu. Sebentar lagi selesai ini ya. Ya, next, the last one, please, Miss. Siapa ya? Miss Ayu. Help me to read from the letter until sunshine.
Okay, Miss. Later, they had to choose where to go next. They could either go to the playground or rent bicycles to ride around the park. In the end, they chose to ride bikes. Until
Then?
even though
Lanjut.
though the day didn't go perfectly, everyone had fun. They laughed, played, and enjoyed the sunshine.
Okay. How you pronounce this, Miss?
Laugh,
Laugh.
laugh,
Iya,
laugh,
pakai F ya. Laugh.
laugh,
Laugh.
laugh.
Terus tadi everyone.
Yes, everyone.
Ya, sama habis ya. Kayaknya everything is good. Tinggal Miss Ayu latih lagi pronunciation-nya itu kayak lidahnya kurang bergulung. Iya, jadi apa ya? Dia udah bener tapi kayak kurang gitu. Ya. Kurang kol-kolahnya kalau ngaji gitu, kurang tebel aja. Yang sebenarnya dia pada dasarnya sudah bener, tapi masih kalau dengar itu masih kayak kurang pas. Iya bener, kurang bunyinya itu kurang sedikit-sedikit gitu ya. Udah bener kok bacanya, tapi kayak kurang yakin mungkin ya, gitu.
Yes.
Tuh, jadi nanti tinggal dilatih banyak. Kalau Miss sempet nonton di TikTok atau di YouTube, cari aja pronunciation yang dasar dulu. Jadi biar lidahnya itu main tongue twister, Miss.
Oh, yes.
Main tongue twister itu sangat membantu sekali.
Dibolak-balik gitu ya, Miss, lidahnya gitu.
Iya, jadi lidahnya itu kayak terbiasa. Later, misalnya aku kasih contoh paragraf dari later sini. Later, they had to choose where to go next. They could either go to the playground or rent bicycles to ride around the park. In the end, they choose to ride bikes. Nah, itunya yang Miss kurang. Jadi
Oh, ya penekanannya
kata-katanya
gitu.
udah, kata-katanya udah, tapi tinggal nyambung dari kata satu ke kata satu itu kayak belum naturally. Itu aja yang kurang ya.
Miss, thank you.
Alright, and now we directly go to the questions. It's true false. Jadi latihan kali ini kita tidak terlalu banyak menguras tenaga seperti pertemuan sebelumnya ya. Jadi memang sengaja saya susun kalau sudah grammarnya berat berarti setelahnya akan ada reading comprehension. Tapi ini harus bolak-balik ya. Karena saya juga nggak hafal tadi. Alright, number one. Please Miss Ayu dulu deh, nomor satu. Apakah true or false?
False, Miss.
False ya.
Sarah arrived late because she overslept.
Sarah,
Sarah arrived late because she overslept.
Oke, kenapa dia terlambat? Because the harusnya because the traffic jam ya. Alright, thank you Miss Ayu.
Yes, you're welcome, Miss.
Next, number two please Miss. Yang belum siapa ya? Yang belum dapat giliran ya? Miss Santi, is it right? Miss Santi, number two. Tinggal
Danny didn't,
dikit lagi ya.
yes, Danny didn't come to the park because he was sick.
True or false?
Wait. True?
True, yes. Bukannya besok baru minum susu. Oh ya udah setengah tapi ya. Tapi kan udah sikat gigi tadi kok minum susu coklat lagi.
Brush the teeth again, Miss.
Ya, ya udah tunggu dulu biar selesai. Oke, next guys. Oh my God. Number three, please, Miss Nila.
Sarah brought both sandwich and cookies.
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches and
Ya.
cookies.
Is it true or false?
Lupa, Miss. Lihat lagi, Miss.
Oke. Sarah.
Sarah tadi.
Sarah di mana ya? Nih, they wrote. Apakah hanya Sarah?
Berarti false, Miss ya.
Yes, berarti
Food and drinks.
false. Yes.
True
Next.
dong, Miss, harusnya. Kan yang disebut Sarah. Sarah membawa sandwich dan cookies. Bener dong.
Tidak hanya Sarah.
No, the weather was Sarah and her friends ya. The subject is Sarah and her friends.
Tadi yang di soalnya tadi tulisannya kayaknya Sarah brought apa tadi gitu. Emang ada bilang
Yes.
Sarah and her friend?
And cookies.
Oh no.
Sarah membawa
The text Sarah and her friends plan to go the park. They wanted to have picnic. Terus Sarah was bla 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 Jam. So only for friends. They brought. Jadi they di sini menggantikan 4 teman. With Sarah, include Sarah. Wait, saya akan tutup ini dulu, terus saya ke halaman berikutnya. Nah, Sarah only in the number 3. Jadi nomor 3 itu yang disebut hanya Sarah. It's
Iya benar
false.
kan? Di sekalimat sebelumnya kan sebutnya begitu. Sarah brought both sandwiches and cookies. Yang di teksnya juga begitu menyebutkan. mereka itu ceritanya
Ih,
menceritakan teman-temannya itu kan membawa makanan dan minuman. Kemudian yang di kalimat selanjutnya menyebutkan bahwa Sarah
wait.
tidak hanya
Oh ya, Sarah, ya
harusnya
ketutup
benar
tadi,
dong.
ketutup layar yang berbicara. Sarah brought not only sandwiches but also some homemade cookies. Alright, thank you, Miss Dewi.
Sorry ya
Wait,
Miss ya kalau saya
it's okay,
protes.
it's okay. Tadi ketutup si layar hitam ini, si layar hitam yang bergoyang. Saya tidak fokus lagi, teman-teman. Oke, next number 4. Please, Miss. Siapa yang belum? Jangan, Dede. I don't know. Abang baru mau potong kuku malam-malam buta kayak gini. Miss Titi, number 4, please.
Lily and Mia brought a picnic mat. False.
Alright, let's check first. Saya tuh. Nah, neither Lily nor Mia remember to bring. Jadi tidak hanya Lily, Mia juga ingat buat bawa mat. Jadi mereka tidak mereka tidak membawa, berarti ya Lia sama Lily tidak membawa. So, the answer is apa tadi Miss Titi?
False.
False ya. Not either Lily nor Mia. Jadi tidak dua-duanya yang bawa mat. So they had to sit on the grass. Jadi mereka harus duduk di atas
Rumput.
rumput. Nggak ada. Number 5, please, Miss Dewi.
The group choose to go to the zoo. It is false because they choose to ride the bicycles.
Yeah, so they choose ride the bicycle. Okay, everyone. Is there any question here until now? Kau. Kita masih ada sebenarnya ya, complex conjunction. Kita mau bahas although, even though, despite, in spite of. Itu untuk pertemuan berikutnya. Is there any question? Harusnya masih 10 menit lagi ya.
Miss,
Oh ya?
Amel,
Iya.
jangan agak kecil suaranya.
Gimana?
Itu yang kelas beginner mulainya
Heeh.
jam 7, Miss ya?
Iya, mulainya jam
Boleh nggak Miss
7.
ikut langsung dua-duanya jadi nyambung gitu?
Boleh, kalau sanggup silakan.
Ya biasanya juga gitu Miss karena ini kan masih menggantikan guru-guru yang lagi cuti. Jadi bulan
Mm-mm.
ini memang belum ngambil kursus yang lain dulu. Ke high
Oke.
five dulu sama Miss Enda dulu.
Siap deh, boleh. Terakhir materinya itu tentang models verb. Jadi will, may, can, yang kayak gitu. Nanti aku kasih ininya
Oke.
ya, modulnya.
Iya, makasih Miss.
Oke guys, if there is no any question, saya udah. Saya pamit undur diri dulu. Besok saya juga harus flight pagi-pagi. Thank you for your coming to attend my class. And see you next meeting. Boleh nanti Japri ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kita safe flight, Miss.
Thank
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
you.